I am going to show you keyboard shortcut trick. The one that gives you the heads up display for brush. It's Control Option on Mac, Control Alt, right click in Windows. What if I wanted the up and down movement to change the brush opacity instead of the brush hardness?
You can change that in the preferences. Go to Edit, Preferences, Tools. Just uncheck the option relating brush hardness to the heads up display.
Now when I go back and I use those same keyboard shortcut and click and drag up and down, I see the brush opacity change instead of the brush hardness.